Welcome to Klahanie Chevron. I'm Brad Heimbigner. My family has owned and operated Klahanie Chevron since the Klahanie QFC Shopping Center opened nearly 20 years ago. And when it comes to quality, don't take my word for it. Read some of our reviews on Google and our Facebook page, where you can also watch our monthly videos. In our reviews, you'll see almost all 4 and 5 stars. We're proud of how our customers view us and grateful for the positive reviews. Try us yourself. We hope to see you soon.
Every car has an important small piece of equipment called the starter motor. It gets your engine running, yet suffers a tremendous amount of stress every time you twist the key in the ignition or push the starter button. No matter what you do, this part wears out over time. Many problems can prevent a car from starting. If you experience any of these problems, you'll likely need a starter replacement. When a consistent buzzing sound occurs when the key is turned on, it usually means there is not enough electrical power getting to the starter to allow it to properly do its job. This is usually caused by a poorly charged battery or corrosion on the electrical connections within the starting system. A loud, individual click or a series of clicks when trying to start a car indicates a bad starter motor. The electric motor is not properly responding. If one part of the gear, called the pinion, is not engaging with the flywheel, it will spin on its own and create a noise that sounds something like a whirr. This often indicates that the starter solenoid is failing. A grinding noise that occurs when trying to start is likely caused by a loose starter motor. It also can mean 2 gears are not properly working together to crank the engine. Replacing your starter can be done with a rebuilt starter or a brand new one. Cost of replacing them can also vary depending on its location in your vehicle. Some starters are easily accessible and can be pulled and replaced in under an hour. Others are much more complicated, with starter motors sometimes housed under other engine components. If you're having trouble getting your vehicle started, be sure to have the problem properly checked by a professional technician.
Thanks for watching our video. Now come and see us at Klahanie Chevron off Issaquah Falls City Road and Klahanie Drive in the QFC Shopping Center.